Dear viewers, subscribers, and my friends, once again I welcome you all on my YouTube channel Love Light Online Helper. Today I am gonna introduce you about a website known as gostudent.org. As you can see on the screen, here you can become a tutor of math, science, and English subjects, and there are many more subjects included. However, basic subjects you can teach here, maths and science. Here you can earn remotely by working as a tutor 24/7. Dear friends, I will tell you all the details and FAQs, what are the things frequently asked questions, so that you can earn here. However, one constraint is there, that here you must have been gone through Irish or UK system of education. दोस्तों, you have to, once again I am repeating, you have to go through UK Irish education system, then only you can do tutoring. Everything we will do step by step. First, there are FAQs, frequently asked questions. There are many questions arising in your mind while visiting the site, so you can see the frequently asked questions regarding many topics. However, for becoming a tutor, you can read specifically, can anyone become a tutor at GoStudent? Yes, you have to be more than 18 years old for becoming a tutor. You can read after visiting the site all the FAQs. However, we will see the process of becoming a tutor. Here we can see, and we can click the becoming a tutor button. So earn money through online tutoring. You teach when and where you want. We do the rest. You have to teach from where and when you want to teach. Other things will be done by GoStudent team. So for application, you have to just click on apply now. However, first we have to see that there are many benefits: work from any location, flexible timing, easy to use platform, personal support will be given, and students will be also provided. Looking for exciting flexible jobs. So now we'll click on apply now. Okay friends, we are clicking it here. Okay, so tutor application, we have to fill it: first name, last name, email address, phone number you have to put, from India you are there, that's why. Age you will put, occupation what you are doing, as a teacher, as a housewife, as a student, whatever occupation you have to just put your occupation here. Now subject, what subject do you want to teach, you have to click it, like biology, chemistry, history, electrical engineering only electrical branch is there, physics, maths, anything you can choose. Then availability per week, how many weeks you are available. See, minimum 6 sessions you have to provide, so you can write 6 or 7 or 8. Now CV, you have to put here CV also, curriculum vitae, you have to put CV also. Like CV, how to prepare, you can ask me, then I can make a video on how to create your CV. Now English at native or C2 level. Yes, you are English, knowing English, valid DBS certificate. DBS certificate, it is issued in UK. If you do not have, you can write no. I am legally allowed to work with minors. You have to click yes, you are allowed. Then DBS certificate, if you do not have, see DBS certificate, here you have to upload, because you have selected no. Here you have selected no, so you do not have to provide here, and this is not mandatory point. See, star marks are only mandatory, so you have to fill that star marks. Other thing you can leave, and then you can click for applying as a teacher. After that you will receive a mail, that I will show you the mail which I have received. Friends, after applying to become a tutor, the mail you receive will be like this. I will show you, and you will receive the mail same day, very soon. Now I will show you what the mail contains. Here it is. We are delighted that you would like to become a part of the GoStudent. In the following video, you can find more about the application and admission process. Here video is there, you can see it. Anyway, I have applied for the subjects like chemistry, maths and physics. So now here you can read the criteria. You have to teach up to A level, and you must have living certificate also up to A level. You must have been through UK or Irish based education system. You can see here. Then you have to give a test also for 20 to 30 minutes. There will be a test which will have total 20 questions, and you will be given 30 minutes. You have to solve all questions, and you have to pass in the test. You have to take quiz from here. See, all the subjects are there, but you have to take at least one quiz. Then if you will pass the quiz, then rest mail you will receive. Then you can become a tutor. There will be some interview also, otherwise it may not be there. There is important notice: for taking the test, you have to use Google Chrome browser on your computer. Don't use a mobile phone or tablet. You have only 5 days to complete the quiz. You have only one attempt. Only one attempt you have. After successfully completing at least one test, you will have the opportunity to register for the next stage, and will be an online group interview via Zoom. A group interview will be taken via Zoom. Please register yourself to one date and time only, even if you have passed several subjects quiz. Now this is the mail I have done to GoStudent. Here, sir, madam, I am from India. My education is up to graduation from Indian school and university. Can I become tutor on GoStudent? No. unfortunately you must have gone through UK or IE system in order to tutor with us. So I am once again repeating, if you have only UK or Irish based education system completed, then only you can register here. So this is mainly for those students who have taken their education abroad in UK. Okay friends, so here if you are eligible for this, then you must apply. Thank you.